In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more pages on your GoDaddy website if you want to expand your site and make it easier for visitors to find important information. Adding new pages is a great place to start. Whether you're creating an About page, a Services page, a Contact page, or anything else, GoDaddy makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where account-related options and settings are stored. From there, click on your profile and then choose My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including your website. Take a moment here to locate the specific website you want to update, especially if you manage more than one. Once you've found the correct website, select it and click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to the structure and content of your site. Give it a second to load fully so you can see the editing tools clearly. Inside the editor, click on Website to access the Site Management area. This is where you'll be able to control things like navigation and page setup. Now, look for the plus icon beside Site Navigation. This is the key option for adding a new page. Click that plus icon and GoDaddy will prompt you to enter your page name and any other necessary details. Choose a page name that is clear and easy for visitors to understand. For example, use simple labels that match the content of the page. If additional settings appear, review them carefully so your new page is added exactly the way you want. As you create the page, keep your website navigation organized. Try to use page names that are short, direct, and consistent with the rest of your site. This helps both usability and presentation, especially on mobile devices where menus can feel more compact. Once your new page has been added, you can continue customizing it with content, images, and any sections you need. Just make sure everything fits the purpose of that page before you move on. And that's it. That's how to add more pages on your GoDaddy website quickly and easily. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to grow your site and improve navigation without any hassle.